Hello, this is a short video presentation on using the quadratic formula. This will be much quicker than the last video. Alright, remember the quadratic formula is x equals the opposite of b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Please memorize this. If you don't, the test is really going to be a problem. And you can't memorize it the last second because you'll make a mistake on something. All right, first equation is x squared plus 3x minus 10 equals 0. There's a coefficient here of 1. You cannot see it. That's A, the 3 is B, and the 10 is C. All we do is put these numbers in our quadratic formula. We substitute them. X equals the opposite of B is 3, is negative 3, plus or minus the square root of B squared is 3 squared, minus 4 times A is 1, times C is negative 10, all over 2 times 1. I want to see this. I want to see these substitutions. Don't do the multiplication in your head yet. We get negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 9, and a minus multiplied together is plus 40. Multiply that all together, we get 40. Over 2 times 1 is 2. This fraction has to extend all the way. If you don't, it's wrong. So then we have x is equal to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 49 all over 2, or negative 3 plus or minus 7 all over 2. Now, at this point, we have to break this up into two problems. Negative 3 plus 7 over 2, and negative 3 minus 7 over 2. Gives me 4 over 2, or 2. It gives me negative 10 over 2, or negative 5. Our solution is 2 and negative 5. All right? Pretty straightforward. We just substitute and simplify. All right, let's do one more here, and then that'll be enough. 6x squared minus 11x minus 10 equals 0. And this is A, B, and C. So the opposite of b, the opposite of negative 11, is 11, plus or minus the square root of b squared, negative 11 times negative 11 is 121, minus 4 times 6 times negative 10, all over 2a, or 2 times 6. All right, let's start cleaning this up now. We have 11 plus or minus square root of 121. And again, negative times negative is positive, plus 240. All over 12. 2 times 6 is 12. And one thing I didn't show here is right here, the 121. I probably really should have had that as negative 11 squared. But that, if you square that number right away, that's fine. I still want to see the substitutions here. Don't just give me the number. Equals 11 plus or minus the square root of 361 all over 12. All right, now we just finished this off. Square root of 361 is 19 all over 12. So we have x is equal to 11 plus 19 over 12, or x is equal to 11 minus 19 all over 12. And this requires you to simplify a little bit. This is 19, 20, 30 over 12. I can divide each of these by 6, and I get 5 halves. 11 minus 19 is negative 8 over 12. Divide by 4, I get negative 2/3. So my solution is 5 halves and negative 2/3. And then we're done. The important thing is I want to see that substitution there. And then you multiply this together. Show me what you get. You get a number, show me, add them together, and then take the square root. All right? Hope this makes sense, and have a great day.